Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah. I am Dr. Muhammad Rezaul Haq. I am also well. Department of Zoology, Haragas Government College, Kaunia, Rangpur. Biology second part, animal classification, diversity and classification. This is my second lecture of this chapter. Today I will discuss animal classification and different types of animal phylum. Firstly, we see what is the definition of classification. According to Simpson, 1961, classification is a ordering of organisms into groups. That is, classification is a categorizing of organisms into different units or groups based upon their similarities and dissimilarities, as termed as classification. Swedish naturalist Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy, is the father of classification. International committee has been established to frame the rules and regulations regarding binomial nomenclature for the plants and animals. In case of animals, it is ICZN. Dear students, please look at the blackboard. ICZN. The full meaning of ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Each group of classification is called taxon, singular, or taxa, plural. Binomial name or binomial nomenclature. Binomial name is a system for the naming of animals by means of two Latin names. That is, the name of the organisms consists of two parts. First part of the name is generic name. Generic name. That is genus. And second part of the name is a specific name. That is a species. So, the scientific name consists of two parts, genus and a species. According to this system, the scientific name of human, you know all, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens, scientific name of tiger, Panthera tigris, lion, Panthera leo, cockroach, Periplaneta americana, honeybee, Apis indica, silkworm, Bombyx maury, earthworm, Metaphyra postuma. It's sometimes a species includes a few varieties. In such cases, the name of the variety follows the specific name, and the name of the species becomes trinomial. Trinomial. In such cases, the scientific name consists of three parts. For example, Panthera leo persica. It is the scientific name of lion. It is found only in India, not other country of the world. Found only in India. Panthera leo persica. Passer domesticus niloticus. It is the scientific name of sparrow. Sparrow is one kind of bird. Pediculus humanus. It is the scientific name of lice. It is one kind of parasite. So, we see the scientific name consists of three parts: Panthera, Leo, Persica. Three parts. First part is genus, second part is species, and third part is subspecies. Scientific name consists of three parts. Bird scientist Senegal 1844 firstly used this trinomial name. So, Senegal is called the father of trinomial name. To remember, most of the name are binomial, but only a few number of species carrying trinomial name. Dear students, now we see the classification of animal kingdom. Based on the number of species, population size, ecologically significant and interspecific relationship, the phylum or phyla are classified into two major parts or two major groups: major phyla and minor phyla. What do we mean by major phyla? Animal phyla with a large number of animals significantly participate in ecological activities and with distinct phylogenetic relationship is termed as major phyla. It is 9 in number. You know, Porifera to Chordata is the best example of major phyla. Now we see minor phyla. Animal phyla with a lower number of species or few number of species or a negligible number of species. Ecologically non-significant and with indistinct phylogenetic position is termed as minor phyla. It is 24 in number. For example, Ectoprocta, Endoprocta, Pogonopora, Rotifera, Ctenophora, Hormifera, its. Dear students, now we will see the major phylum of the animal kingdom. Major phylum are of 9 types or 9 in number. These are phylum number 1, major phylum 1, Porifera. Porifera. The word Porifera is divided into two parts. Latin word porus, P-O-R-U-S, porus meaning pore, fairy, to bear. Pore bearer animals. These types of animals carrying a numerous pore, and that pore is called ostia. Characteristic feature number 1, numerous ostia present on the body surface, which is connected internally with a special canal system. Character number 2, conocytes or flagellated collar cells found in the inner surface of the body. Number 3, canal system is present which produce water current. Number 4, spicules or spongin fibers constructed the body skeleton. Example, Spongilla fragilis. It is freshwater sponge. Scypha gelatinosum. Scypha gelatinosum. Now we see the major phylum number 2. Major phylum number 2, Cnidaria. Greek word knide, Knide. Knide meaning nettle, Nettle, nettle or spine. Area connected with. Characteristic feature number 1, they are cell tissue grade multicellular animals with radial symmetry. Number 1. Number 2, Cnidaria. Number 2, they are diploblastic. That is, body is formed into 2 types of cell layers, outer epidermis and lower hypodermis or gastrodermis. Number 3, coelenteron is present in the ectoderm, which possesses a capsule that is called nematocyst. Number 4, the circulatory and respiratory system is absent. Number 5, digestion in both extracellular and intracellular. For example, Hydra vulgaris. It is a common animal and you know all, Hydra. Aurelia aurita, jellyfish. Major phylum number 3, Platyhelminthes. The word Platyhelminthes is also divided into 2 parts or two parts. Greek word platis meaning flat, and helminthes worm, worm, flatworm. The animal of this phylum is commonly known as flatworm. Characters number 1, body is bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and dorsoventrally flattened. No respiratory and circulatory organs, excretory system bearing phylum cells. Number 3, body have external suckers or hooks. Some have segment-like structure called proglottid. Number 4, the body is soft flattened and most of them are parasites. Example, Fasciola hepatica, Tinea solium, Fasciola hepatica, liverworm, Tinea solium, tapeworm. Now we see the major phylum number 4. Phylum 4, Nematoda. Greek word nematos. Nematos meaning thread. Thread. Helminthes worm. The animal of this phylum are commonly known as threadworm. Characters number 1, the body is elongated, tubular, pointed at both ends. Number 2, body wall consists of cuticle which is made up of elastin. Number 3, number 3, cnidaria. Alimentary canal is straight and complete with mouth, anus and muscular pharynx. Number 4, no circulatory and respiratory system. Number 5, most of them are unisex, showing sexual dimorphism. Example, Loa loa, it is a easy scientific name. Loa loa, it is known as eyeworm. Ascaris, lumbricoids, it is commonly known as hookworm or roundworm. Now we see the major phylum number 5, mollusca. Mollusca, Latin word molluscus meaning soft. Characteristic feature number 1, the body is soft, unsegmented with asymmetry. Number 2, character number 2, the body externally enclosed in a glandular mantle whose secretion to form shell. Number 3, a specialized and muscular foot is present on the ventral side of the body. Number 4, gaseous exchange by gills, lungs, mantle cavity or body surfaces. Example, Pila globosa. It is commonly known as apple snail. Octopus vulgaris. Now we see the major phylum number 6, Annelida. Latin word annulus meaning a small ring. Characteristic feature. Characters number 1, the body is elongated, cylindrical, tubular, segmented and vermiform. Character number 2, the excretory system consists of a pair of nephridia in each segment. Number 3, circulatory system is porous type and with well developed blood vessels. Number 5, life cycle with propofol larva. Example, Metaphyre posthuma. It is commonly known as earthworm. English name earthworm, scientific name Metaphyre posthuma. Hirudo medicinalis. English name Lis. LWCS, Lis. Major phylum number 7, Arthropoda. The word arthropoda is divided into 2 parts. Greek word arthron, jointed, podos, foot, jointed foot. Characteristic feature number 1, body is bilaterally symmetrical, head with distinct stigmatization, thorax bearing jointed foot, head bears compound eye and one pair of compound eye and 2 pairs of antennae. Excretory system is Malpighian tubule, sometimes book lung. Example, Periplaneta americana. Periplaneta americana. It is the scientific name of Americana. It is the scientific name of cockroach. English name cockroach. It is a common animal. Honeybee, Apis indica. Apis indica. Honeybee. Dear learners, my time is ended. Inshallah, I will meet with you in next class. I hope you will see my lecture, and if you suffer from any problem, you will connect my mobile number. My contact number is 01713 867390. Allah Hafiz.